right, guys, here we go. Part 5. Look at that beautiful Victorian dollhouse. Now, part 5, we're going to start working on the roof. Here goes all of our floors here. And let's get started, everyone. All right, here go the roof pieces. We got the left and the right roof. I had to draw some shingle guidelines because once we get the roof onto the house, it's going to be shingle time. So there you go. The roof is on. We just have to let it set and dry, and then we will continue to the next step. A little inside look. I had to turn it around, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Okay, so as you can see here, we are working on the tower walls. So I just put the bay walls in the back here. I gotta do the walls in the front and then the verticals, which are these pieces right down here. So we're gonna add that on there now. Alright guys, part 5 is complete. We have installed the roof. We also did all of our vertical corners here, all of the bay window siding, all of these bay window sidings, and we also finished part of the tower. So part 6 is going to start off with the window installation. Ooh, I'm a little nervous.